Let me tell you, there is one way by which you can answer every single topic. It doesn't matter which paper you are preparing for, IELTS, PTE, Duolingo, Self-Pip, or even for normal English. One story can help you to generate ideas for every single topic. And the best thing, if anyone can prove that strategy is not working for any opinion-based topic, then I will pay that person 20,000 rupees. Yes, 20,000 rupees is up for grabs. Only thing you need to do is just DM me, spend 10 minutes with me, and then be your own judge. See you on the other side. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest. Let's see how he performs in his first ever speaking test. Okay, so Mr. Prince, so how may I address you?
You can simply call me Prince.
Okay, Prince, so what do you do? Do you work or are you a student?
Currently, I am working as a math teacher in private school
Okay, so why did you choose this profession?
because I have a keen interest in mathematics and it's my short-term goal to become a teacher.
Okay. Is this a popular job in your country?
Yes, in these days, teaching is very popular job in my country because without teaching, without learning from teacher, student cannot learn things by themselves.
Okay. So let's talk about your hometown. Where are you from?
I live in countryside area. The name of my village Past, which is located in the eastern side of Punjab.
Okay. What is the best thing about your hometown?
In my hometown, there are many facilities available, such as there are 5 private and government schools. Apart from this, there is one hospital for the welfare of for the health of people, and beside that, there is one police station and one post office in my village.
Okay. So let's talk about shopping. Do you prefer online shopping?
Yes, I like to buy things online because I do not have much time to go to a market to buy things.
Okay. What are the advantages of online shopping?
There are a numerous of advantage of online shopping. At the top of advantage is that people do not have to stand in queue for waiting their time. So with the now everything is on our finger. With the help of our phone, we can simply choose our product.
Okay. And what are disadvantages of online shopping?
Apart from the advantages, there are many disadvantages from doing online shopping. Sometimes the products are not same the product which we ordered sometimes.
Okay, another disadvantage is we have to wait for few days to receive the product because it is not instant. Now let's talk about fashion. Do you follow fashion?
Yes, I like to follow trend because in these days it is very popular among teenagers and adults.
Okay. What type of clothes you like to wear?
I like to wear casual clothes because I feel comfortable when I wear casual clothes.
Okay. Is there any particular trend you do not like to follow?
Uh,
Fashion trend.
okay. No, I do not have any much idea about which trend I I would dislike, but it depend upon the trend which is running in my country.
Okay, or you could have said, I'll follow all type of fashions. Currently, I don't have anything in my mind which I think I'll not follow because I like to follow the latest fashion trends.
Okay.
Is there anything that you used to wear in the childhood but now you don't like to wear?
Uh, I remember when I was child, I like to wear Punjabi attire such like kurta pajama, but in these days I would not like it.
Okay. Thank you so much. And your answers are fine.
Thank you
You are a
so
bit stiff, but that is okay. With practice, you will definitely improve. Thank you so much, friends.
much. Okay, thank you, sir.